Bring it back.
Good morning, Panthers. Welcome to WPNN. My name is Chloe.
And my name is Serena. It's a great day to be a Panther.
Panthers, our boys soccer team will play U Galley High School today.
The games will start at 5:30 for junior varsity and 7 for varsity.
In other sports news, baseball arm conditioning has already started. Conditioning is every day right after school with Coach Melendez.
Good luck to our Panther wrestling team today as they travel to Merritt Island to compete in the regional dual championships.
In Heritage Club news, make plans for Friday. First priority will be meeting during all 3 lunches in the auditorium lobby. There will be pizza, games, friends, and fellowship.
Also, don't forget that the Green Youth Club will meet today from 3:30 to 4:30 in room 4210 with Miss Diaz.
Also, BSU Club will meet today at 3:35 in room 6101 with Miss Sharp.
Tomorrow we will be on a pep rally schedule. If you would like to attend for all 7 period tomorrow, tickets are $2.
Remember, Panthers are respectful, responsible, and prepared.
Go Big Blue!